Within AsULearn, many faculty like to use the online quiz tool. When faculty are creating quizzes, we actually recommend that you start by being organized from the very beginning. And by that we mean store your questions in the question bank and also organize those questions by category. To access the question bank, up here on this top row of tabs, here where it says More, I'm going to click the arrow and then select Question Bank. Now I'm within the question bank, but my first step, rather than adding the questions, I'm going to add a category. A category is like a folder. It's a way to group certain questions together. Under this button, I see questions, but there are arrows. I'm going to toggle from questions to categories. Now you'll notice I already have a number of things listed, and that's because I've already imported a test bank from the textbook publisher. But now I want to add some of my own questions. I could add them to existing categories or create my own. To create a category, I'm going to click this button, Add Category. You can select a different parent category by clicking this arrow or just leave it on the default. I'm just going to enter a name. Once you enter a name, scroll down and click Add Category. So now I've added a category called Practice Exam, but I don't have any questions in it. To add questions, I'm going to come back up here and toggle Categories back to Questions. When you're adding questions, you need to first select the category where you want to add the questions. So I'm going to select Practice Exam, and then come down here and click Create a New Question. There are a variety of choices of question types. This is where you start adding them, and then later I can add any question from the question bank into one quiz or several quizzes.